Welcome to the Google Classroom and Epic Live tutorial on setting up an assignment for attending live classes. Be sure that you have watched the Adding Your Epic Live class to your Google Calendar tutorial before continuing with this tutorial, as you need the information learned in that tutorial. So the first thing that we are going to do is go to our U.S. History class or your Epic Live class, and we are going to create an assignment. As you can see here, we have a title for the assignment, and we are going to call that U.S. History Attendance for July 5th. In the instructions, I'm just going to put, please be sure to mark your attendance as done before clicking on the link to join the class. So we are going to add a link right down here. You can to our Zoom Hangout. You can get that by going to your Google Live invite and calendar notation. You just copy and paste this, so like so, and copy that, and then come back, click on the link button, and paste that link in. So under points, you probably don't want it. It defaults to 100 points, but you probably don't want to give them 100 points for this. The due date is going to be July 5th. And I'm not going to put a time, but you can add a time if you want to add a time. And then for our topic, I have a topic here of attendance. You can also create a topic and set it up as attendance if you'd like. So the next thing that I'm going to do is assign this assignment. So I click on assign. You see that it will show up right here in the top of your stream for assignments. Go over to the student side, we'll see that the attendance assignment is loaded. You can click the open button, and then right here it says make sure to mark your attendance as done before clicking on the attached link to join the class. So you can click mark as done, and yes, the student will mark it as completed, and then they can click on this and the link will take them to their Zoom meeting. Also recommend that you add your Zoom link to your class materials, which would be found right here. The way to do that is to go to settings. Go here, you can see your class details. If you go down to add class materials, you can put Epic Live, Zoom link, click on the link, paste that link that you had from before, add it right there, post that, and then if you X out of this, you can see that you've got the Zoom link right there that will take your students to your live meetings. So I hope that this tutorial has been beneficial to you. Have a great day.